Hello everyone, welcome to Let's Trade Together. This is Kumar Venkatesh, a chartered accountant. In today's video, we will discuss on candlesticks as a part of our technical analysis. In general, in fundamental analysis, we do research about company's business and will take a decision whether to buy that stock or not. Once we decide to buy, then many of us use technical analysis to decide the entry, exit, and stop loss by using various technical tools on the candle charts. So let us now dive into the basics of candlesticks through this video. We prefer candle charts over line charts as candle charts provide more detailed information regarding to price movements and also helps us in tracking the trends and behavior of the traders. Here we can see two basic candles where the bullish candle in green is indicating an increase in the stock price, where the bearish candle in red indicates a decrease in stock price. So whenever a stock price increases and we are using a candle, then the candle will be formed in a green color. Similarly, when the price of the stock drops, the candle will be formed in a red color. So now let us look at the characteristics of a complete candle. So we will divide the candle into two parts, that is the real body and the other part is the shadows. First, let us discuss about the real body. Always the candles real bodies are shaded in green color and red color, which are highlighted in the circle over here. Then if we look at the lines above the real body and below the real body, these are called as shadows, tails, or wicks in the market language. And these lines represent the highest price and lowest price made by the candle in that time frame. Whereas the real bodies are formed using the open price and close price of that stock in that candle time frame. So now let us take an example and let's discuss in more detail about the candle formation. If we see here, we have two candles. First, let us discuss about this green candle, how it has been formed. So let us take a time frame of 15 minutes. So let us assume that these candles are formed in a set of 15 minutes. So for every 15 minutes, one candle will be formed. So now let's discuss about this green candle. This green candle has started at a price of 50 rupees and has fell to 45, which is the low, and then started moving up and has made a high of 60, which is the high price, and then finally made some fall towards the closing, which is 55. So here the real body has started at 50 and finally ended at 55, even though the highs are 60 and 45. So always the real body lies between the opening price and the closing price of the candle. Whereas the shadows, that those are the lines above the real body and below the real body. These lines indicate the highest price and lowest price made by the candle in that 15 minutes. Similarly, if we see this red candle, it started at 55 and then started moving up towards 57, but since the traders taking a bearish view, it started falling to 47 rupees and then made a slight recovery and closed at 50. So here the real body is lying between 55 rupees and 50 rupees, and the high price is 57 and the low price is 47. Sometimes we may see these kind of candles where there is no real body at all. So these candles are called as doji candles. These candles happen to form when the open price and close price are very nearer or similar. So now let's move on to the Infosys 15 minutes time frame chart. So here, if we take this red candle is having a real body as well as the shadows. And now here we can see the open, close, and high, low value data as well. And the next candle beside to it, if we see, this is like a doji candle where the real body is not existing or very negligible, we can say, but we can see the shadows, the lines above and below. So here also, like this is the advantage in the candle charts when compared to line charts. We will be having more information, the open price, close price, higher, low price, and also these candles will be indicating trends of the behavior, which we will be discussing in our upcoming videos. That's it, friends, for today. Thank you.